Good morning, students. We all know that today we start our reader chapter, that is chapter 1, Kabuliwala. This is the story about a Kabuliwala, is narrated by the 5-year-old girl, means 5-year-old girl Mini, from his father about the Kabuliwala. Okay. Now I write hard words also together. I write hard words also. So you all write hard words from board. Now, what is the story of the Kabuliwala? That Kabuliwala is written by the Rabindranath Tagore, okay, and the narrator of this story is 5-year-old girl father, that is Mini's father, okay. Now let's start our chapter. My daughter Mini, who is 5 years old, cannot live without chattering. She has not wasted a minute all her life in silence. Means he always speak continuously, never being silent. Okay, वो कभी भी silent नहीं होती थी. Her mother gets vexed at this and would stop her from prattle, but I would not. मीन्स हिज मदर, उसकी मदर जो थी वो बहुत परेशान थी और वो उसको बार बार चुप कराती थी, बट आई वुड नॉट, मैं कभी उसको चुप नहीं कराता था. आई कैन नेवर बियर टू सी हर क्वाइट, इट सीम्स अननेचुरल. ओके, सो यू ऑल राइट डाउन हार्ड वर्ड्स ऑल्सो. अननेचुरल मीन्स अब अननेचुरल लगना, ओके, अप्राकृतिक. एंड सो माई ओन टॉक विद हर इज ऑलवेज लाइवली. One morning when I was writing the 17th chapter of my new novel, जब मैं मेरी नॉवल का 17th chapter write कर रहा था, she came in and putting her hand into mine, asked many questions. Father Ramdayal, the doorkeeper, calls a crow. He doesn't know anything, does he? What do you think, Father? Bhola says there is an elephant in the clouds blowing water out of the trunk. Means वो क्या समझा रहा था कि मिनी क्या क्वेश्चंस, मिनी आस्क क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम हर फादर, मीन्स मैनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम हर फादर, कि मुझे भोला बता रहा था कि एलिफेंट जो है वो क्लाउड से खुद के ट्रंक से पानी डालते हैं जब बारिश होती है. मीन्स इस टाइप के सिली क्वेश्चंस वो खुद के फादर से पूछ रही थी. बिफोर आई कुड आंसर एनी ऑफ दीज शी वॉज सिटिंग एट माई फीट एंड ड्रमिंग हर नीज. वो उसकी नीज पर आके बैठ गई और नीज को बजाने लगी. ओके, ड्रमिंग, ड्रमिंग मीन्स नगाड़ा बजाना. आई वॉज इन द मिडिल ऑफ द 17th चैप्टर में, 17th चैप्टर के मिडिल में था, व्हेन शी सडनली रेन टू द विंडो एंड शाउटेड अ काबुलीवाला एंड अ काबुलीवाला. मैं 17th चैप्टर के बीच में ही था और मेरी डॉटर सडनली आती है. सडनली मीन्स अचानक से. सडनली शी केम एंड शाउटेड अ काबुलीवाला, काबुलीवाला जोर जोर से वो चिल्लाने लगी. She started to call him loudly and he was in the street wearing loose soiled clothing of his people and a tall turban with a big bang on his back and boxes of grapes in his hand. Means he wearing loose soiled clothes, means उसके जो clothes थे वो पूरे गंदे हो रखे थे, soil में हो रखे थे. And he weared a turban. Turban means, everyone know, turban means a पगड़ी. Okay, in English, Hindi we can call turban a पगड़ी. With a big bag, और एक बैग था उसके हाथ में, boxes of grapes in his hand. I thought that he would come in and I would not be able to finish the 17th chapter. He looked up and saw Mini. She fled to her mother's protection and disappeared. मीन्स उसने काबुली वाले को देख के और उसने खुद को हाइड कर लिया, खुद की मदर के पीछे वो जाके छुप गए एंड डिसअपियर. प्रोटेक्शन मीन्स सुरक्षा एंड डिसअपियर, और वो दिखाई नहीं दे रही थी. She had a blind belief that inside the bag which the big man carried were perhaps 2 or 3 children like herself. उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसके बैग में 2 और 3 चिल्ड्रंस है उसकी तरह, मीन्स कोई बाबा है और बच्चों को पकड़ के ले जा रहा है, तो उसको ऐसा डर लग रहा था. The peddler entered my doorway and smiled. I bought a few things and we talked about Abur Rahman, the Russians, the English and the frontier policy. Before leaving he asked, and where is the little girl, sir? उसने जाने से पहले उसकी डॉटर के बारे में पूछा. Means he asked from the narrator. I wanted Mini to get rid of her false fear and had her brought out. मैं उसका डर निकालना चाहता हूँ और मैं उससे मिलना चाहता हूँ. She stood close to my chair and looked at the Kabuliwala and his bag. She refused to take the nuts and raisins he offered. तो उसने क्या किया, नट्स मीन्स अखरोट एंड रेजिन्स मीन्स किशमिश. Now he offered nuts and raisins but he refused to take. उसने लेने से मना कर दिया. This was their first meeting. तो ये इनकी first meeting थी. One morning a few days later I was startled to see Minnie seated on a bench near the door. Minnie जो है वो बेंच पे बैठी थी near the door, laughing and talking with the great काबुली वाला से वो बात कर रही थी. Sitting at her feet, the corner of her little sari was stuffed with almonds and raisins. She had never found a patient listener like him. Save her father, I gave him an 8-anna coin and said, why did you give her those? He accepted the money without demur and put it in his pocket. When I returned an hour later, Minnie's mother was upset. मीन्स उसने उसको 8 कॉइन दे दिया और उसने उसकी खुद के पॉकेट में रख लिए. जब मैं घर आया तो मिनी की जो मदर थी वो बहुत अपसेट थी. That she had accepted almonds and raisins from the Kabuli wala. She said, "Oh Minnie, how could you take it from him?" I saved Minnie from an impending disaster and made a few inquiries. Means वो बहुत upset इसलिए थी क्योंकि मिनी ने उससे almonds और raisins ले लिए थे. Now inquiries means पूछताछ. Now he inquired about the almonds and raisins. Now Minnie and the Kabuli wala became great friends. अब क्या हुआ कि मिनी और काबुली वाला became a great friends. The Kabuli wala had overcome the child's fear by a judicious bribe. Bribe means रिश्वत लेना. Now वो किससे फ्रेंड बन गई? अब काबुली वाला ने उसको जो नट्स और एलमंड्स गिफ्ट किए उससे वो फ्रेंड्स बन गए. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ ब्राइब. They would often share quaint jokes, वो jokes भी share करने लगे. Whenever she asked what his big bag contained, he would reply in a nasal accent. Nasal accent means with the nose he speak, okay? Nasal accent. An elephant Minnie would look at his gigantic frame. उसने जब उससे पूछा कि आपकी इस बिग बैग में क्या है तो उसने जवाब दिया कि इसमें एलिफेंट है. उसने एक गिग्नेटिक एक ह्यूज से फ्रेम में देखा डिग्निटी एंड बर्स्ट आउट लाफिंग और जोर जोर से हंसने लगी. He would ask her, well little one, and when are you going to your father-in-law's house? उसने मिनी से पूछा कि तुम तुम्हारे father-in-law's house में कब जा रही हो. Now most Bengali maidens are familiar with the term father-in-law's house, but we being little newfangled had kept these things from Minnie. She must have been a trifle bewildered at this but did not show it. She would ask, are you going there? Now she asked from the Kabuli wala, क्या आप भी आपके father-in-law's house जाना चाहते हैं? Among the men of the Kabuli wala's class, father-in-law's house meant the jail. काबुली वाला के लिए जो father-in-law's house का मतलब था वो था jail, where we all are cared for at no expense to ourselves. He would say, I will thrash my father-in-law. They would burst into peals of laughter. Peals means गड़गड़ाहट. हंसने की आवाज़ आई, जोर जोर से हंसने की आवाज़ आई. Minnie's mother would often put in a word of caution, beware of that man. और मिनी की मदर ने उसको समझा दिया था कि इस पर्सन से कॉशन में सावधान रहना. मिनी एंड द काबुली वाला स्पेंड मच टाइम टुगेदर. काबुली वाला एंड मिनी स्पेंड मच टाइम टुगेदर. दोनों साथ में बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करने लगे. Once in a year in January, Rahman the Kabuli wala used to go to his country and he would be busy collecting debts from house to house. वो घर घर से debts collect कर रहा था, but he would always find time to come and meet Minnie. One morning there was an uproar in the street and looking out I saw Rahman being led away bound between two policemen with blood stains on his clothes and one of the policemen carrying a knife. अब उसने देखा कि एक का पुलिसमैन के हाथ में नाइफ है और विद टू पुलिसमैन विद ब्लड स्टेन ऑन हिज क्लोथ्स और दो पुलिसमैन के जो कपड़े हैं उन पे ब्लड लगा हुआ है. I inquired what had happened and learned that a certain neighbor owed Rahman some money for a Rampuri shawl और उसको रामपुरी शॉल के लिए अरेस्ट कर लिया गया but falsely denied having bought it. In the ensuing quarrel Rahman had struck him. Minnie shouted, oh Kabuli wala, are you going to the father-in-law's house? Now Minnie shouted and started. काबुली वाला, आर यू गोइंग टू द फादर इन लॉज हाउस? अब उसको फादर इन लॉज हाउस मीन्स पता नहीं था कि वो जेल है. हिज फेस लिट अप एंड he said, just where I am going, little one. He was sentenced to some years imprisonment. जहाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ वहाँ पे मुझे कुछ साल के लिए कैद कर लिया जाएगा. ओके, imprisonment means कैद करना. imprisonment on the charge of murderous assault. मुझे मर्डर के लिए वहाँ पे कैद कर लिया जाएगा. Years passed away and he was not remembered. It was autumn. Now autumn season था. It was autumn season. Autumn season everyone know that पतझड़ का जो मौसम होता है उसको बोलते हैं autumn season. And Minnie was to be married that night and the preparations were in full swing. Since dawn the Shehnai had been sounding and at each beat my heart throbbed. I felt the pain of approaching separation from Minnie. और मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं अब मिनी से सेपरेट होने वाला हूँ. उसको शहनाई की आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही थी. I was in the study when someone entered and saluted respectfully. I could not recognize him, but when he smiled, I knew him again. जब मैं पहले किसी को भी नहीं पहचान पा रहा था, बहुत साल बीत चुके थे, बट जब कोई भी मेरी तरफ स्माइल करता था तो मैं जान जाता था. I had brought a few almonds, raisins and grapes wrapped in a paper में wrapped करके वो almonds, raisins and grapes लेकर आया. He had been released from jail the previous day and come to see Minnie. वो उसकी शादी के एक दिन पहले ही जेल से रिहा हुआ था, छूटा था. I told him that it was not possible to meet anyone because all were busy with the ceremonies. और मैंने उसको बोला कि किसी से भी मिलना भी पॉसिबल नहीं है बिकॉज सब शादी की सेरेमनीज में बिजी है. I was about to pay him, but he said, "You have a little girl. I too have one like her in my home." जब मैं उसको पैसे देने लगा तो उसने मना कर दिया और बोला कि "You have a little girl. I have also." मेरे घर में भी एक little girl है. I think of her and bring fruits of your child. और मैंने उसके बारे में सोचते हुए, उस जैसा ही सोचते हुए मैं उसके लिए कुछ फ्रूट्स लेकर आया हूँ. He took out a small and dirty piece of paper and unfolded it on my table. It bore the impression of a little ink-shimmered hand. This touch of his own little daughter he always carried with him as he came to Calcutta to sell his wares every year. और इससे पता चल रहा था कि वो खुद की डॉटर को भी मीन्स हमेशा खुद की डॉटर के लिए भी लेकर आता है और वो हमेशा कैलकटा आता था कुछ वेयर सेंड करने के लिए. Tears came to my eyes. मेरी आंखों से आंसू आने लगे and I realized that he was also a father separated from his dear little daughter. और ये भी एक वो ही वैसे ही फादर है जो कि खुद की डॉटर से सेपरेट हो चुके. I sent to Minnie. मैंने मिनी को उनके पास भेजा. She was clad in red silk and sandal paste on her forehead. उसने रेड कलर की साड़ी पहन रखी थी और उसके फेस पे सैंडल फोरहेड पे चंदन का पेस्ट लगा था. Okay, sandal means first is clad means पहनना and sandal everyone know chandan. Sandal paste on her forehead. Adorned as a bride, the Kabuli wala had imagined her to be the same little girl who would come running to him. He said, "Little one, are you going to your father-in-law house?" अब काबुली वाले ने उससे पूछा, क्या तुम तुम्हारे फादर-इन-लॉ हाउस जा रही हो? Minnie understood the meaning of the word father-in-law. She flushed up at the question and turned down her face. After she left, Rahman sat on the floor. He suddenly realized that his daughter too must have grown up. He would have to make friends with her anew. I took out a banknote and gave it to him. I told him to go back to his country and meet his daughter. I wish that the happiness of his meeting might bring good fortune to my child. Now, काबुली वाले ने उसको विशेष देना स्टार्ट किया और उसके फादर ने उसको कुछ बैंक नोट्स दिए और उसको उसकी कंट्री वापस जाने को बोला. एंड काबुली वाले ने मिनी को गुड विशेष देते हुए बोला कि गुड फॉर्चून इन योर फ्यूचर लाइफ. I had to curtail some festivities having made his present. I could not have the decoration of electric lights. मैंने डेकोरेशन भी नहीं की थी. डेकोरेशन एवरीवन नो द मीनिंग ऑफ डेकोरेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट्स. नो द मिलिट्री बैंड एंड द लेडीज ऑफ द फैमिली. मैंने शादी की कोई डेकोरेशंस नहीं की थी, कोई मिलिट्री बैंड्स नहीं लगाए थे. And the family were despondent at it, but the wedding feast seemed brighter to me because of the thought that in a distant land लेकिन मेरे लिए वेडिंग एक बहुत मेरी मीन्स वो शादी बहुत यादगार रहेगी, क्योंकि मैंने एक लैंड अ लॉन्ग लॉस्ट फादर मेट अगेन टू हिज विद हिज ओनली चाइल्ड। ये मेरे लिए इसलिए शादी यादगार रहेगी क्योंकि मैंने एक बिछड़ मीन्स जो फादर अपनी डॉटर से सेपरेट हो गया था उसे मैंने मिला दिया, मीन्स काबुली वाला मेट हर डॉटर। नाउ दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर एंड दिस इज ट्रांसलेटेड रिटन बाय द रविंद्रनाथ Tagore. This is translated by the Rabindranath Tagore. Now you all write hard words in your notebook. Listen chapter carefully and try to solve question answers. In next class we discuss and write down word meaning. Now write down. Some students have books, some not have. So you all write down word meaning from board. Okay. Annoyed. Vexed means annoyed. Prattle means chatter. Soiled, made dirty, fled, ran away, sixth, peddler, someone who travels about, sailing his wares, startled, felt shocked or alarmed, patient, able to calm, without being annoyed, demure, objection, impending, about to happen, judicious, quaint, peculiar, gigantic, huge, newfangled, something, that has recently been invented or introduced. Invented or introduced. Okay. Next is 15th, trifle. A thing of little value. A thing of little value. Bewildered, confused, bewildered, confused, depths, money that is due, uproar, a loud noise, ensuing, happening, afterward, as a result, assault, a physical attack, sounding, making a sound, throbbed, beat rapidly, impression, imprint, flushed, become red and hot, 25, anew, again, in a new way, curtail, restrict and reduce. So these are the word meaning of first chapter. First of all, you all write hard words, and after that you all write word meanings. Now question answers we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, and all things you write in fair notebook.